Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are exploring supermicrocomputer in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 30th of October, 2024, our system has categorized supermicrocomputer as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.42. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock faced a decline of 16.24%. This equates to an average daily loss of 3.25% since it was identified as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents a promising buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $25.74 is breached, it would indicate an increased likelihood of a sharper decline. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of approximately 27.88% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 32.98% to an increase of 24.13%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests an anticipated change of about 8.28% over the next year, with potential returns varying between 1.90% and 388.87%. This translates to a price range of $28.23 to $135.42 after a year. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline, High Volatility in Supermicrocomputer Stock Price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $27.70. The supermicrocomputer stock price gained 6.42% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024, rising from $26.03 to $27.70. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 11.55% from a day low at $25.10 to a day high of $28. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 39.74% over the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 11 million shares, with a total of 80 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $2.21 billion. It is important to consider that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence, and could serve as an early warning about potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $122.90, while the lowest price was $23.90. Currently, the price is 77.46%, or $95.20, below the 52-week high of $122.90, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Supermicrocomputer Incorporated, trading under the ticker SMCI, is encountering significant challenges that could heavily influence its stock price in both the short and long term. Recently, the resignation of its auditor, Ernst & Young, has triggered a sharp decline in share prices, with approximately a 70% drop over the last 6 months, primarily due to concerns about accounting irregularities and the potential for delayed financial filings. The market's reaction has been cautious as it weighs the possibility of delisting from NASDAQ amid these uncertainties. With an earnings report due soon, analysts suggest that the company's immediate financial performance may be overshadowed by these ongoing issues, diverting investor attention away from tangible results. Moreover, there are calls for changes in leadership at the CEO level, which, if not addressed swiftly, could further erode the company's competitive edge within the booming artificial intelligence sector. While some investors believe these accounting problems may be isolated, the looming risk factors present significant hurdles. Looking forward, the impact of these developments on SMCI's stock could be pronounced. In the short term, continued volatility is likely as investors digest both the earnings report and any updates on the auditor situation. In the long run, uncertainty around governance and financial stability may deter investments, calling into question SMCI's ability to capitalize on the artificial intelligence market potential, which is critical for its recovery and growth trajectory. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Loop Capital Markets rated SMCI as a buy with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, Needham rated SMCI as a buy with an initiate recommendation. On Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight rating with a downgrade recommendation. Finally, on Wednesday, the 28th of August, 2024, Wells Fargo rated SMCI as equal weight with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Supermicro Computer stock a general buy rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro Computer. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 4th of November, 2024, and so far, the stock has risen approximately 6.42%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot is discovered. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor this stock closely. There are also some negative signals present, which may affect the near short-term outlook. The Supermicro Computer stock presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these moving averages, where the long-term average is situated above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $34.11 and $43.03. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 81 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 105 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support risk and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $26.05 and $26.03. Without support from accumulated volume beneath today's level, the risk increases. A drop below the support at $26.03 may lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock is likely to experience considerable movement throughout the day, demonstrating high volatility, and due to a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.90 between its high and low, which is an increase of 11.55%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 14.37%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for supermicrocomputer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low P/E ratio might indicate either low expectations for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 5th of November 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 75 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for supermicrocomputer is at $29.11. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, supermicrocomputer encounters its first support level at $26.05. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for supermicrocomputer from various analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 30th of October 2024, Tuan Sherman conducted an insider purchase of 25,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Tuan Sherman also executed an insider sale of 2,964 shares of common stock. On that date, Tuan Sherman further sold 25,000 shares of stock options, which represent the right to buy. On the 30th of October 2024, Liang Charles made an insider purchase of 1,667,500 shares of common stock. On that same day, Liang Charles also sold 928,030 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 20.461. In total, insiders have purchased 3,441,347 shares and sold 5,232,199 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer currently exhibits several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate since the last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 6th of November, we expect supermicrocomputer to open down by approximately 76 cents and begin trading at $26.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Investment decisions should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.